Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And this is a daily close, of course, for Bitcoin to see what happened as well and what it might happen for Bitcoin in the next few hours. So the last video, we were almost here. We saw a push for Bitcoin still extending this wave 3 towards the upside, which is nice to see and better to see. Because if we are moving for higher, we would like to see, of course, an extended wave 3. And what I mean with this, that you have, of course, a wave 1, 2 here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside. However, this wave 5 is a little bit problematic. Meaning, if I move to the 15-minute chart, we have here 1, 2, and then 3, right? Everything is fine so far. Until, of course, we got this wave. This wave here, if we have, we have already an impulse here, as a wave potentially 1. And if you are looking for a wave 2, the only way to read this one is, this 2 is a running flat. Now, if this is a running flat and we have a 1, 2 like this, 3, and now you're looking for 4 and a 5, that means, of course, you're still looking for one more push towards the upside. Very choppy wave, problematic a little bit. Still, of course, pushing higher and still corrective here, by the way, meaning, of course, still looking for higher. And that because there is no impulse towards the downside yet. But it is problematic from term of choppiness. Yeah, it's very choppy. But this looks impulsive, definitely. Now, this one, I have to read it, of course, a running flat and moving for wave 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave 5. Yeah, meaning 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. This is your wave 5 as 1, 2, a little bit choppy, 3, 4, and a 5. However, it is very, very important. I mean, it would be nicer if the wave 5 touched the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning main wave 3 would finish here. Why? Because, of course, if we finish a main wave 3 here, that would open a nice scenario for a bullish scenario, of course, for the next blue box. What I mean with this, if we finish here 1, 2, 3, you're looking therefore for a wave 4. By the way, this wave 4 we have to remove it because basically we are not finished yet with the wave 3. So we're still moving, pushing for higher. Basically, yeah, because I showed you on the 15-minute chart here the problem. So we still need one more move toward the upside, yeah, to make this impulse perfect, yeah. Otherwise, it might turn into WXY. We have to be careful because if we don't get a perfection here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, yeah, to finish this wave 3, that might be problematic. In this case scenario, we're looking for this wave 5 to finish potentially high here, again, after a wave 4 and a 5, to finish a wave 3 very close to the 1.27 at least, which is the uncommon target for a wave 3. I mean, it is a target at the end, but uncommon, preferably the 1.618. But it would be nice if we hit it at least, because if we do, that will open the opportunity, of course, to enter the blue box. Yeah. And by entering the blue box, you don't just open the possibility to enter this blue box, you open the possibility of several 1-2s. Yeah. You invalidate the WXY and you open the validation of several 1-2s, meaning that the price might even overshoot the blue box that we have here, higher than of course this blue box, and moving to the final blue box toward the upside for a wave C in a wave B. Meaning 100K can be tested again. In case that happened, guys. In case, of course, look how much this price here can open for us the price for higher. Yeah. Just with one more leg, hitting the 1-to-1 fib level, because we're gonna retrace anyway here. It would be nice if we retrace directly for a wave 4 and a 5 to finish a wave 3 perfect with the fib level, yeah, common or uncommon, it doesn't matter, inside this blue box, and then opening the possibility for triple 1-2s. That will be nice to see. However, the price action right now is gonna, of course, give us the price decision. Yeah, if we are continuing in WXY, hitting the 1-to-1 fib level, test this area, corrective or impulsive. Better, of course, if we don't move to the invalidation, still the same here. How much it's gonna be deeper, it doesn't matter, but better not to touch this, of course, and then continuation toward the upside. That would be much more clearer price action. Yeah, so these are the insight right now. I believe that we still need one more push. Yeah, one more push that would be nice for this wave 3 to hit the 1-to-1 at 89K 400. If we take a look also at KGT, so on KGT 1 minute chart here, I'm taking the 1 minute chart, and that because I want to test only this area. If we are getting soon or later some divergence as bullish divergence. Now I can see that the price, of course, might take this low without a clear divergence. However, this buy signal here, if we move lower and we take this low, the CVD line might be in divergence again towards the upside, and that might open, of course, the possibility to move higher again, of course. So basically what we are looking at here is this divergence exactly here and this area. If we get a little bit lower price, or even at least the lower area, meaning here, this one, a divergence with this possible scenario. If we take the low, the CVD might move down as well with it, open the divergence, and of course be open for a new wave 5 toward the upside. That would be nicer to see. Well, basically KGT gives us, of course, this information that we might have it. We're gonna see it might push directly from now. I mean, it looks like anyway it is pushing very toward the upside, and as I mentioned, this is still very corrective and still want to move for higher. So basically 1-to-1 might be hit, of course, by tonight before the daily close even. We're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. However, it would be nicer for continuation. Retest will be given whether it is corrective or it is impulsive. The retest here at this area will be given, and of course, if we are corrective, then expect to continue for higher. Next blue box is 91K 900. Let's say 92. Don't forget today we have, of course, updates for a render and for a tau on the X account. You can find them, of course, and don't forget to follow because I'm updating so often from today. This is the first time we upload videos on X, so actually, of course, I have the intention, of course, to continue with this if you like it. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.